Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to share video from CapCut to TikTok. So here I have a video that I've already added on CapCut and I want to share it to my TikTok. So what you need to do is just export the video first. Okay, so just wait until it finish exporting. Okay, so after that you can just click on share to TikTok at the bottom of the video that you export before. Just click on that and then you'll be directed to your TikTok apps on your phone. Okay, so just wait. Okay, so you can just click on next to post it or click on your story to post it to your story. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can share video from CapCut to TikTok. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.